Welcome to today's webinar. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mike and I'll be covering the topic of the dashboard on Prima. So this is quite a useful thing for you to have set up. It gives you a quick overview of everything within Prima. As you can see at the moment, this is a list of all the tiles that you can set up, so it'll be quite useful if you cover all areas of Prima to have this set up. It is something that you can tailor to specific users if you need it to. So for example, if you want your salespeople to just see the sales orders and things like that, then you can tailor it to that, or your purchasing staff to see anything relating to purchasing, then you can. So what I'll be covering today is just the quick setup of these tiles and just a quick overview of what they mean. So to set up a dashboard, you need to be on this dashboard section. So it's something that opens up when you first log into Prima. To set the tiles up, you need to go to this Organise Tiles section. So within here, you can see a list of tiles that you can set up. Now, most modules within Prima have a tile that you can set up. It's something that you can quickly link to each module as well, so it's useful for that. You've got the name of the tiles at the moment. The priority order is what you want it to set in. So if you want the most important one to be at the top, you'd set the priority as the lowest number. So for example, I'll just show you how to set up a sales order. At the moment, these are just default searches, so you can tailor them to whatever you want. To set these up, if you set the priority order as 1, if this is the one that you want to show first, show in dashboard and show on 0 value. That way that if you don't have any outstanding sales orders, it'll still show. Save and close on that. As you can see at the moment, there are 3 outstanding sales orders. So if you want to tailor this to just a specific person, you double click on the tile, and as you can see, it pulls through with a specific search. So if I wanted to tailor this for myself, I'd look for my name and just do a quick search. You can see it's pulled back 6 records. So if I want to save this, just so it will always show the amount of records that are in my name that are outstanding. I'd right click on this button here, click save and edit values. One thing that you can do, you can change the name of the tiles, so you can directly see what information it's showing. So for example with this one, I'll enter Mike sales orders and just click OK. So if I now go back to the dashboard, you'll see here that it's showing Mike sales orders. So what I'll do now, I'll just show you another tile that we can set up. So we'll go for outstanding purchase orders for those that want to set up anything with purchasing. Again, if I wanted to show this at the very start, I'd enter the priority order, but for this one, I'll just hit 2. And again, show on the dashboard, that'll make it show, and then show on 0 value. If there isn't anything there, it'll still show up. So at the moment, there's 107 outstanding purchase orders. If I wanted to filter this out for a certain date, I just choose the date, say this month's purchase orders that are outstanding, hit this month, and just a search. And again, it's just a simple case of right clicking this, saving the value, and then if you want to change the name, then you can. So for example with this search, I'll put this month's outstanding purchase orders. And then if we go back to the dashboard, you'll see that that's showing there. Now another little useful thing for this type of search is that you can edit your own filters in this section. So for example, if you keep on going into the orders and doing different searches and it's taking you quite a while, then you can add up your own filters. So for example, if I just wanted to search confirmed orders by myself, or authorised orders, sorry, by myself today, then I'd select today's date and run that search. At the moment there's none, but then you can create a new filter, do the search, so today's orders, and then whenever I go into this filter button here, I can search for today's authorised orders. Now today has been quite a short topic because it's something that is very simple to set up, but it will save you a lot of time in Prima. So that's everything that we've covered up to now. If you do have any questions for Oliver on the live chat, then fire away. We'll be hanging around for a little bit. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Twitter. If you want to put any recommendations for our next webinar, then please send us a message or drop us a tweet, and we will be hanging around if you do have any questions. So thanks for your participation today, and we'll see you next week.